Can you tell that I'm stressed? Being a filmmaker means having a lot of problems all the time, and the one problem on my mind right now is that I don't have a bodega. I'm making a film that takes place in a bodega, and I don't have a bodega yet, meaning I don't have a plan. I don't have storyboards. I don't have anything until I have a bodega. So yeah, I'm stressed. Being a filmmaker means being a problem solver, and luckily, solving my problems usually solves my stress, so today's goal is to lock in a bodega. The owner's not in. So I went to this deli, and they said the owner's coming back at 3, so I got about 2 hours to kill. I kind of jumped you guys into this one, but basically this semester for my production class, I'm making an 8-minute short film. I've never done something to this scale before, so it's a little daunting. Well, it's a lot daunting. And the thing is, for the first time in a long time, I'm really nervous. But I'm glad that I am. It means that I care, and it means that if I can push through this and climb this mountain, I'll grow. Or at least, I hope so. I met the guy, said he'd give me a call an hour after he calls his brother, who's the boss, like the chain they have. So I'm going back to Manhattan and wait for that call. So I had the call with Tony, and we got the place. So that's the first problem solved. But now, the issue is this. Will I be able to come up with $1,000? Will this film get made? What will happen next? Find out next time on Season 3 of The Cal Galicia Show.